Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Xavier here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to types of aux cord users part 4. I'm not trying to throw 8, I'm trying to throw 4. This came out last week and I'm late on this, so really sorry about that. This is gonna be my first reaction video using my new camera. My last video I showed you guys that I got a new camera, and yeah, I was just showing some other shit too, but let's get straight to it, man. 3, 2, 1.
What's goody? It's your boy Ryan.
Tough, I can't hear anything. Alright.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino, aka whoever threw that, your mom's a hoe. And you guys are watching Loveliveserve. If it's your first time on the channel, what's up? I mean, it is part 4 of the series, so like you should probably kind of know. But nonetheless, welcome to Loveliveserve. We are dedicated to bringing you guys high quality, relatable, quirky skits multiple times a week. So thanks for joining us. Subscribe if you're new. Like I said, this is part 4 of the types of aux cord users series. Let me know if you guys could relate to any of these in the comment section below. And let us know, like, is this one your favorite? Was the first the best one? The second? Let us know in the comments. Let's get straight into it. Types of aux cord users.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
The guy who's mad at his girlfriend.
Okay, well, why were you texting him?
It's literally my cousin. It's literally my cousin.
Why does your cousin look like Channing Tatum? That's my thing.
That's not my fault. I don't know what the hell you want me to tell you.
You didn't want to tell me he was that handsome.
You have issues.
I don't know why you constantly. You know what? Just give me the aux cord, please. Thank you. Tired of hearing this.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
What?
What is that supposed to mean?
That's my song I'm playing.
Fuck that bitch. Are you saying fuck me now? Like screw me?
No,
like, you don't care about me?
This is like on my playlist randomly.
I don't want to.
It's a random playlist.
No, it's not.
The one who didn't get Spotify Premium.
Hurry into Old Navy and get 40% off your entire purchase or 50% off when you use a...
Bro, that is so me, bro. But I use Apple Music. Apple Music is better.
Open an Old Navy cart. Need it now? Buy online and pick up in store today. That's 40% off your entire purchase, only at Old Navy.
Sorry, that was the ad.
Put the fucking music on. The person who listens to gay hip hop.
Here you go. Oh, sweet, thank you. Here we go. What you got for me? Get ready.
Yeah. Suck him down with my chopper. With my chopper. Suck him till he suck.
Hey.
He don't want no smoke. He don't call it. He don't want no push on horizon.
I'm on that dick straight. Give it.
Timothy.
All right, Timothy,
Uh-oh.
it's about that time, man.
Timothy with that heat.
The aux, you got some? Why always gotta play music? Why can't we just drive and be quiet? This aux cord video.
He's wearing goggles for the pool. Oh my god.
Fine. Last time. Okay, put something on.
Give me for my sins, yeah. Nigga, watch, they plot, that why they wearing it. Pussy niggas be McFan, like Darren. Niggas talk about
The thirsty guy who plays the one song he knows the white girls in the car are going to like.
All right, man, if I get this aux real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put on like one of my favorite songs that I've been listening to right now. One of my favorite songs. All right, just playing that.
Oh my god! I love this.
Oh, y'all know this song? Yeah, y'all know this one, Ariana Grande? Yeah.
I love this song.
Oh yeah, that's kind of goes. I mean, I guess this is kind of like my favorite song right now. Y'all, oh my god! Wow! Holy crap!
The one with the broken aux cord.
Hey, if you could like hold this, yeah, you get it, like turn it a little bit, then yeah, bend if you could, like, hit it a little high. Oh, you never think. Well, try to like prop it up on. Can you like prop it or like?
The person who turns down the music at the best part.
Hey, she got me in my feelings. Hey, gotta be real with it.
Wait, so where are we going again?
What are you doing?
Where are we going?
Why would you pause the song there?
No one told me where we were going. I
Why
forgot.
does it pause it right there? You just had to turn it down. You have to turn it off.
yeah.
Wait, did you turn off your straightener, Cheyenne?
Oh,
Again? You're gonna do this again? I don't want the house to burn down.
Why would you?
You always be leaving it on, trying to make sure our whole house is fine, but yep, just that keeps me, right?
That's tough.
The person who doesn't even know what an aux cord is.
All right, Mom. You up next?
For what?
The aux. Give me the aux.
What's an aux? This is an aux?
Yeah, for your music. Plug
Wow.
your phone into it, and you can pick. You have iTunes or like Apple Music.
I have Apple Music.
So you plug it in, then you just start playing your stuff.
Art. Oh, no. Back. Your library. Artists.
There you go.
Okay, here we playing
Who do you want to play? Best favorite artist right now?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi. All right.
The person who thinks they can sing just as good as the artist.
Oh, how many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feeling, I know where you like it.
Bro, you can't sing.
No, chill. What?
You can't sing.
Yes, I can.
Dude, please stop.
Bro, one
That
more
was
song.
painful.
Dude, I literally was just warming up.
The person who's using their GPS.
Man, I'm on a mission, don't get
That's my sister. That is my sister, bro.
on my grind.
If you're watching this, this is you, okay?
They were trying to,
Take the 5th exit. Keep left.
I don't wanna see me shine, but I'm steady fighting, putting
Take the 2nd exit.
everything on the line. Destination close on my
Continue straight.
Can you change that? Like, is it?
Turn left.
Okay.
Can you like
Yeah, here.
not have it say?
I'll turn it down.
PO got me fucked.
In 0.6
That's so my
miles,
sister, bro.
take the 4th exit. In 1 kilometer,
Oh, come on,
keep
what is
left.
it- what
In
is-
200 meters, turn left.
What are you
turn
using
right.
to navigate
Continue
on the-
straight. In a quarter of a mile,
Is it new?
turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left.
Where does it have it taking us?
Keep right.
Where are we going?
Turn left.
Timothy again.
All right, Timothy, one more before the video ends. Just one more song, man.
All right, last song.
This will be good.
Back at it again.
Hey, I used to have enough. Now whatever I come, get a few of them. She bored, ain't nothing I can do it up. I really wish it was a few of us.
What?
The bitches that's invalid. Because the niggas that's invalid. Ain't gonna say it, they won't have it.
Oh!
So we going broke, that's invalid.
All right, you guys. made it to the
Yo,
end of the
what was
video.
that song called, bro? Bro, what was that song called, bro? That shit went hard.
Sorry about that. First things first, we want to give our shout out to the Surf Squad member of the day.
Yo.
So shout out to. Thank you so much for watching the videos. And if you guys want to be the next Surf Squad member of the day, all you have to do is follow Rhino and I on Instagram, post a picture using the hashtag Surf Squad, and tag both of us. Easy as that. We're gonna start doing these more, so if you guys want to get a shout out, just go follow us on Instagram and tag.
Alright guys, yo, I'm telling you, bro, Timothy with the heat, bro. Timothy, goddamn, man. What was that song called, bro? What was that song called? Yo. The last song that the last song that Timothy just played, what's that song called, bro? If you guys know it, comment down below, please. Cause that shit went hard, bro. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction video. If you guys did, please smash that like button, comment down below what I should react to next, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.